What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Serve Robotics with the ticker symbol SERV. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So let's take a look at Serve Robotics. You can see that it IPO'd or it came on the market where I can see the price action back here in April of this year. So this is the entire price history for this stock. So this tells me that price was trading once upon a time at the $3 level for a while, sub $3, right around the $2 level. Eventually broke out for some reason back here in July, up until the $24 level. Something with the $24 level buyers do not like, led to aggressive selling. Price stabilized at the $6 level. And since then, it's been chopping kind of back and forth between the $6 level or the $7 level and this $12 level. So just kind of going back and forth. So let's see what can occur in the future, right? So we did see a prior large drop. So that's not a good sign as well because it can lead to another large drop in the future, especially when the correction up is kind of weak, right? So this is all one leg right here, followed by a drop down lower, which can mark the bottom for a second leg up. And that's exactly where price found resistance at. You can see that this is a perfect measure move target or near perfect. This is basically two legs, right? This is called a complex pullback in a trend. So this is technically still coming or joined together from this impulse down, right? So this is an impulse followed by a correction. In this form, it was a complex pullback correction in the form of two legs, which can lead to another leg down, right? So basically the incentive for the buyers is practically gone because bulls already reached their target. You can see that they quickly went up to the target, found resistance, and now we're selling off. So I think this can continue lower. Is it guaranteed? No, it's not, right? But it's looking like it wants to do that, especially because price is coming off of this prior drop correction. I think we could still see more downside. So don't be surprised to see price come back down towards the mid $8 level, possibly even break it to reach the 7s and 6s because of this pullback looks to be complete now. This is a very large pullback that took place since early to May, September. Looks like it's finalized, and we could see continued momentum towards the downside. Because look how bulls were strong in the past, right? See how they were very strong. They rallied up price really quickly, and now look what happened right here. Where are the bulls? Where are these buyers that drove up the price to that $24 level? And look at what happened here. They can't even drive up the price past the $14 level. So there's like different strength in buyers recently than previously, right? So this tells me that we can see for the downside because this pullback looks to complete technically, and I think we're going to see continued selling towards the downside. So I guess first target would be back near the low 8s, and then if we break that, we can probably reach the sub 7. And if we break that, probably a gap fill right over here because there's an empty space between these two candles. That's a gap. A lot of times price likes to fill in these empty spaces. So that would be a potential target as well. So we'll see what happens. But overall, looks like price is trying to correct lower. Is it guaranteed? No. Let's say, for example, tomorrow we drop down lower, then immediately reverse. Then it's a short trap, and we're going to see price resume higher. But I don't think that will occur. Looks like this is a quick move up after a little breakout right over here. A quick move up, finding resistance from the prior resistance level. So this looks like a double top, and looks like the measurement target was reached as well. So there's a lot of reasons why price should move down lower than move up higher. So we'll see what happens if price can. Let me go intraday real quick. Oh, so price looks like it's already starting to drop. So if it can break this trend line right here, let me draw a trend line off this swing. So it looks like we're starting to already break this trend line. So this is going to be leading to probably more downside, like I said before. Looking at the weekly chart, you can see that it's just a summarized viewpoint of the daily chart. We see one large move up, a drop, correction, and it looks like we're going to be seeing more downside. So that's all I have for SCRV on the daily and weekly charts. And this is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.